Welcome to the Forum South BLR Fest 2025, the city's most anticipated festive celebration, now in its third glorious edition. And this year, it's all about the theme, Back to the Future. Standing tall at an awe-inspiring 40 feet, this walk-through gramophone is not just an installation, it's the world's largest, a masterpiece of art, imagination, and craftsmanship. Bangalore, 8th October 2025, the city's heart beats with music, nostalgia, and futuristic imagination at Forum South Bangalore Mall, Konnakunte Cross, right beside the metro station, a spectacle like no other unfolds. Built over 15 dedicated days by a team of 20 skilled artisans, this structure took more than 3,500 man-hours of effort. Every curve, every metallic gleam, every sound-inspired motif tells the story of how art meets engineering. This is not just a decor, it's a journey through time. Step inside this immersive gramophone journey, and you'll be transported through the golden eras of music, the 70s, 80s, and 90s, where mixtapes ruled, family gatherings echoed with laughter, and melodies sparked conversations that lasted generations. But this year, nostalgia meets the future. The entire decor is designed in a retrofuturistic style, glowing neon lights, UFO-inspired elements, and larger-than-life installations that blur the line between yesterday's dreams and tomorrow's imagination. This is where past and future dance to the same rhythm. And the excitement continues. On 19th October 2025, the legendary Usha Uthup herself will perform live in concert, bringing her timeless voice to this festival of magic. Book your seats exclusively on Book My Show and be part of a night that celebrates the soul of music. Muhammad Ali, CEO of Forum Malls Prestige Group, beautifully puts it. Forum South Bangalore has always been at the forefront of curating immersive experiences. With the world's largest gramophone, we celebrate both the nostalgia of the past and the imagination of the future, making this year's fest truly unforgettable. The festival also offers curated brand showcases, festive shopping experiences, and interactive activities for everyone to enjoy, making every corner of Forum Mall a celebration of creativity. From last year's dazzling Navrathan installation to this year's record-breaking gramophone, Forum South Bangalore continues to redefine what festive celebrations can be. But this year, nostalgia meets the future. The entire decor is designed in a retrofuturistic style, glowing neon lights, UFO-inspired elements, and larger-than-life installations that blur the line between yesterday's dreams and tomorrow's imagination. This is where past and future dance to the same rhythm. So, this season, don't just visit a mall, step into history, imagination, and melody at the Forum South BLR Fest 2025. Tickets to the immersive gramophone experience start at just 199 rupees and are available now on Book My Show. Come, relive the music, the memories, and the magic, because here, at Forum South Bangalore, the past and future play in perfect harmony.
Hi, so my name is Anya and I am here from Mumbai actually. So I always wanted to visit Forum South. So when I came here, I looked around and I saw this like really huge setup. So there's a really huge gramophone there. So I just went up to the desk and I just asked, "Ki, what is all this about and everything?" So they told me that it's the largest gramophone in the world, and they also set a world record and everything. So I was very curious to, like, know about what is inside, what's going on and everything. So I just went inside, and I was actually really, really surprised, as it's all like a vintage experience center basically. So you get to see all the retro stuff inside, like old telephones, old film industry, old music, old cartoons and everything. And there's also like a really nice photo booth where I tried on retro outfits, and I could take a lot of pictures. So basically, I had a really nice time. Not to forget to mention, I also played a game called Pac-Man. It's a really vintage game. So I basically had a very good experience, and I would recommend everybody to come visit Forum South and check out this really nice event. Thank you.